So, in the Times today and in many other newspapers, they're sort of starting to give up about Trump. If we win Florida, believe me, it's over. If we win, and we're going to win, and you're going to have a great president, and you're going to have a great, great country again, and you're going to feel so proud of your country again. Can I have a pledge, a swearing? Raise your right hand. I do solemnly swear that I, no matter how I feel, no matter what the conditions, if there's hurricanes or whatever, that's good enough, will vote on or before the 12th for Donald J. Trump for president. Thank you. Now I know.